Welcome. In front of me I have XIAOMI Mi Smart Speaker, and today I will show you how you can mute or unmute your microphone in this speaker. So it's very simple. As you can see, when you take a look on the settings panel, here we can find the play, pause, minus and plus, and also the microphone icon. So if you want to mute your microphone, you have to tap on it.
The mic is muted.
And then when you want to unmute,
the mic's back on.
So, and how we can check that microphone is actually muted?
The mic is muted.
When you tap on it, this indicator right here change for the red color or orange, something like that. So yeah.
The mic's back on.
And when you enable the microphone, the indicator is not on the red color. So that's how it looks. If you find this video helpful, remember to like, comment and subscribe to our channel.